Today we're talking about related bank services. So you're going to need to read your lesson. There's a whole bunch of different types of services that the bank makes available. Anything from a safety deposit box, cashier's check, certified check, traveler's check. And I want you to read about it, debit card, and figure out what each of those do. But for this lesson, I'm simply going to pick out a couple problems in the lesson, and I think you'll find this lesson pretty easy, so we're not going to spend a lot of time. So in the first part, after you read all about the different things and the different fees they charge, the first part says find the bank fee of 2% of the purchase price for the traveler's checks. So basically, number one, you're going to go, if they write out a check for $2,000 for you and they charge 2%, what's their fee going to be? So times 0.02. Alright, so $40. That's what the fee is going to be for a $2,000 traveler's check. Alright, that's pretty basic. That's how they're all going to be. So just another one to check you to make sure you're on track. $950. This is number 11. 2% fee on that. Should come out to $19 will be the fee on a $950 traveler's check. Alright, then part B is going to be very similar. Find the total cost of the traveler's check, including a 2.75% fee. So, number 15, you have $1,000. So there's two ways to do this. You can do it in 2 steps, you can do it in 1. If you do it in 2 steps, you'll find 2.75%. So 0.0275 should bring you out to $27.50. And then you'll add the original price of the check back on. So the total cost of the $1,000 traveler's check will be $1,027.50. Now, if you remember from doing interest before, if you want to add the original whole price right in, if you simply go 102%, 1.02, it will come out to $1,027.50, and your interest will be added, or your not interest, but your fee will be added right in there. All right. Let's just do 1 or 2 more in the reading problems here. So let's go down to number 25. To pay a $872.39 bill by mail, David Seitler purchased a cashier's check. The fee for the cashier's check was $7.75. Find the total cost. Oh, that one's pretty basic. So the actual check he was mailing was $172.39. That was the fee. So $8.80.14 is going to be his total check on number 25. Well, if they're all that easy, you shouldn't have a problem. Let's go to number 32. Just randomly picking some. Jay Thompson purchased $52.50 in traveler's check and paid a 3% fee. What was the total cost of the checks? Alright, so he had $5,250 traveler's checks at 3%. So this is going to be very similar to what you did in the second part, 15 to 21, because they want to know what the total cost was of all the checks. So you're going to take this times 3% or 103% to get it added right in, and that should come out to $54.07.50 if you did it correctly. Alright, this lesson seems like it might be pretty easy. If not, and you have some questions, just feel free to ask.